Today we're going to show you how to change the start switch on your dryer. It's a pretty easy job. All we're going to need is a putty knife, maybe a small flat blade screwdriver, and possibly a pair of needle nose pliers. Let me show you how we do it. Now the first step in this repair will be to disconnect the power to the dryer. If it has a cord on it, simply unplug it from the receptacle. If it's a hardwired dryer, we'll want to disconnect the fuses or the circuit breaker. Now the model we're working on today is a stacked version washer dryer, and we've taken the dryer off, but the disassembly procedure should be very similar. So on this one we need to remove the top. There's a couple of spring clips. Simply depress those with a knife. Those clips are located about 3 inches in from either side. Simply depress those. Lift the top up. We'll disconnect that ground strap and remove the top altogether. Now the switch is located right here, so what we'll do is we'll pull the knob off at first. We may need a small flat blade to just gently start that switch coming off. Be careful not to damage the finish. We'll remove the knob. Now there's a locking tab that we need to lift up. We'll try that with a flat blade screwdriver. And then we'll rotate the switch the counterclockwise from behind. And we can pull it out far enough to remove the 2 wires on it. So we'll remove the 2 wires. If they're a little snug, we can use our needle nose pliers to pull them off. Take our new switch, reconnect the wires. They fit a little bit loose, and with our pliers we'll just crimp them a little tighter. Now we'll position the switch through the opening, center it, and you'll be able to see through the opening where the 2 tabs line up with the slots. And then we'll rotate it clockwise from behind and make sure the locking tab drops into its slot. Replace the knob. Now the main top. We'll engage those 2 rear hinges with the slots in the top. And don't forget to put the ground strap back on. Make sure it fits tight. Lower the top into position and snap it into place. And our repair is complete.